Semishare A series automatic probe station. Could you tell us some main applications? Welcome, Mr. Law.
Thank you. Semishare A series is our high precision and fully automatic testing device with probing accuracy of up to 2 micrometer. It is mainly used for high volume WAT and CP tests, and it is versatile enough for different type of wafer testing, including memory, SoC, analog circuit, digital circuit, power devices, RF devices, and also discrete components. It offers high testing accuracy and efficiency, which can significantly cut down the testing cost. In addition, we do offer custom solution for special needs. For example, board level packaging, frame wafer testing, dual port testing, electric needle holder testing, and also 4-wire method testing. We have plenty of successful cases in this area. Thank you.
Mr. Law, how's the market performance and production capacity of Semishare A series?
Yes, thanks to the support from our customer, both local and abroad, and after more than 10 years of industry experience, our fully automatic probe station have received great feedback from clients, and they are now in mass production across several foundries and OSAT, and we have landed bulk orders.